Behind this tutorial, I would like to show you two methods to delete layers in GIMP. For example, we have here 3 layers, so the first thing we need to do is select layer that we want to delete. For example, I will click maybe on this one layer with #1, and then we need to go to Layer tab, and here we have something like Delete Layers. We need to click on this one option. It will let you to delete selected layers, so I click here, and how you see layer has been successfully deleted. The second method is simple too. We need to click right mouse button on layer which we want to delete, so I click here right mouse button, and after that I select here Delete Layers. And how you see it really works. Remember that you can always delete multiple layers. If you will press Ctrl from your keyboard, you will be able to select more layers which you want to delete. For example, I selected here 3 layers, and then I can click right mouse button again and select here Delete Layers. All of them have been successfully deleted. So it's all for today. If I helped you to delete layers in GIMP, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.